Right now, billions of devices are connecting at speeds that once sounded impossible. But here's the twist. The leap from 4G to 5G isn't just about going faster, it's about rewriting how the internet itself works. So, why does 5G feel like a giant leap into the future? Let's break it down. At its core, 5G isn't one single invention. It's a combination of breakthroughs in radio waves, antennas, and smart infrastructure, working together to deliver speeds that can reach multiple gigabits per second with almost zero delay. First, spectrum. While 4G mostly lived below 3 GHz, 5G unlocked higher frequencies, known as millimeter waves, stretching above 24 GHz. Think of it as opening a multi-lane superhighway where data can travel without traffic jams. Second, antennas. 5G uses something called massive multiple input, multiple output. Instead of a handful of antennas, base stations can deploy dozens, even hundreds, that talk to your device simultaneously. More antennas mean more data streams flowing at once. Third, beamforming. Instead of shouting in every direction like older networks, 5G pinpoints its signal directly at your phone. This laser-focused delivery cuts interference and boosts both speed and reliability. Fourth, small cells. Because high-frequency signals can't travel far, 5G builds a dense network of mini-towers. These small cells ensure you're always close to a strong signal, especially in busy cities. And then there's latency. On 4G, sending a command to a server and back might take 50 milliseconds or more. On 5G, that round trip can shrink to just 1 millisecond, fast enough for real-time applications like autonomous cars, remote surgery, or virtual reality. Behind the scenes, network slicing and edge computing make things even smarter. Slicing allows one physical network to split into many virtual lanes, each optimized for different needs, from streaming movies to powering smart factories, and edge computing moves servers closer to you, trimming delays even further. So, why is 5G so fast? Because it isn't just a faster signal. It's an ecosystem built on wider frequencies, smarter antennas, focused beams, dense coverage, and intelligent architecture. Together, these innovations transform the internet into something more responsive, more reliable, and far more powerful than before. 5G isn't the finish line. It's the foundation for everything that comes next.